Morning students. So today we are going to start a new chapter, and we can see new part, that is wave optics. Till now we have discussed all the concepts about the ray optics, in which we have done dealing with rays, with reflection, refraction, optical instruments, compound microscope and all. But the next which we are going to do is related to wave optics. Study of waves is called wave optics. Basically, what is wave, what is light? Wave we can say as the mechanical light, or we can say light is mechanical wave. Why mechanical? Because to travel it needs a medium. This is called a mechanical wave because to travel it needs particular medium. So just proceed towards the first term, that is wavefront. These concepts about the waves of the waves, or I can say light, is given by Huygens. Huygens is a name of a person who have given his theory, and we will follow that theory only to understand the wave optics of this chapter. Just see this thing. First topic we are having the wavefront. Firstly, we will see the definition. It is the locus of all points of a medium which are vibrating in the same phase. Locus of all point of a medium which are vibrating in the same phase. सपोज आई हैव दिस पॉइंट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. अगर ये पॉइंट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट ये है, ऑफ कोर्स इट विल emit these type of radiation. इस पॉइंट सोर्स से यहाँ भी लाइट स्प्रेड होगी, यहाँ भी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेव के फॉर्म में ये पॉइंट सोर्स लाइट को क्या कर देगा, स्प्रेड कर देगा इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. एज दिस वेव्स आर ट्रैवलिंग पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस, सपोज यहाँ तक उसने एक्स ट्रैवल किया, टिल हेयर ऑल्सो एक्स, हेयर ऑल्सो एक्स, x उनकी क्या हुई, डिस्प्लेसमेंट. नाउ दिस इज द पॉइंट सोर्स and these waves are vibrating in the same phase. Source is same, obviously the waves will travel in the same phase. In standard +1 you have done this equation, wave equation, which is known as y is equal to a sine omega t plus kx, where this is the phase of the wave of vibration, एंड दिस एक्स इज़ द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि ये वेव मूव कर रही है तो कितनी डिस्प्लेसमेंट से कर रही है, एक्स. एंड दिस ए वेव ए आई हैव टेकन, वेव बी, वेव सी, वेव डी एंड सो ऑन. And this y is displacement of particle. As we know, in medium there are many particles. When waves will spread in all the direction, there will be, suppose यहाँ पे कितने सारे particles हैं, और जब ये wave spread होगी in all the direction, obviously displacement of particle will take place. Displacement of particles will take place. So this is all about the wavefront. Now again we will read the definition. It is a locus of all the points of a medium which are vibrating in the same phase. So this is the wavefront. And next we are having the types of wavefront. We are having basically 3 types of wavefront: spherical wavefront, plane wavefront, and the cylindrical wavefront. The firstly we know that point source is spherical wavefront. Suppose I have this point source of light and I have this particular finite distance. From this point source these waves will spread, but in the spherical form. So this is called the spherical wavefront. For point source we usually take isotropic medium. Isotropic medium is that in which speed of wave is same in all the direction. That is called the isotropic medium. Here the waves have to travel finer distance, and the wavefronts which will form over here will be spherical. Clear? What are the wavefronts? Or other example also I can say that suppose I have this water and I am putting any stone in water, and when I will put stone over there, there will be circular rings like this, and this circular rings, this will be known as the wavefronts. For the point source the wavefronts are spherical in shape. If I am taking a plane, suppose in finer distance I have taken, and this is also my source of light, and in this type of I will get plane wavefront. These are the plane wavefronts and the distance will be infinite. Next we are having the cylindrical wavefront. Cylindrical wavefront. Suppose I have this linear source, ये मेरे पास कोई slit है, I have this slit and I have illuminated this slit by a source. इस source से मैंने इसको illuminate कर लिया and the wavefronts which will produce by this will be in cylindrical shape like this. So this is our cylindrical wavefront. The next topic we will do about the Huygens principle and the points of his theory and so